And hello everybody, welcome back. This is the next video for the table tennis bat. So you can see on the screen here we've got the standard table tennis bat that I drew in the previous video, and now I'm going to show you how to turn it into a drawing so you can then print it out, stick it on your wood and cut the exact shape that you want to cut out. So once you're finished with your table tennis bat, so after you're done, basically go here to insert new element and then click create drawing, and you'll see this bar here pop up. Alright, the next bit I'll put a screenshot on the page that you're watching this on, but if you go custom template, ISO, English yes, size, A4 portrait works better for this, millimeters yes, leave that, get rid of the border and get rid of the title block because they'll just get in the way with this. So you want your screen to look like this. So I'm going to hit OK, and we'll just wait for it to load up. So basically what we're doing here is we're taking our drawing and putting it on a piece of paper so that we can print it. And because it's all computers, it comes out perfect, and you can change the size to exactly what you want. So what's happening here is you've got table tennis bat, and here you've got your parts. So the parts have come out separately. If you want to put it all together, you go to Part Studios and click, and then you click this one, and that's what I might do for the first one. So I'll just click here, Part Studio, and take that table tennis bat. Now you can see the table tennis bat's a bit small. If this white section is an A4 piece of paper, that it's not the right size. So if I go up to View Scale and I change it to 1:1, that means it's 1:1 scale. So 1 millimeter in the drawing is 1 millimeter on the paper, which is exactly what we want. Now if your drawing doesn't look like this, maybe it looks like this. Just wait for it to load. It looks something like that. It looks like the table tennis bat, but you're not looking at it at the front. Just come up here to view orientation and just change it until you get what you want. So I've got front. It could be top for you depending on how you drew it. So it's referring to this. So when I click on front, that's the front. But if I select top, that's the top, if that makes sense. Alright, go back to drawing one. And I'm going to put this right, I'll put it right in the middle. So I click the button. Alright, I'm going to hit escape on my keyboard just to deselect everything. You can right click and deselect, I think, there too. Then we're going to come up here to insert view, and we want to click insert. So now we just want the handle pieces. So I'm going to go to part 2, and I'm just going to put it out of the way because remember this piece of paper, see how that exactly fits on there? It's pretty good. This piece of paper, we're going to cut it up and stick it, so it's going to give us the shape of our table tennis bat. So if I just make sure it's 1:1, front view, yep, that'll do. And just click over here somewhere. Don't go too close to the edges just in case the printer cuts it off. This here is a projected view and we don't want that, so just hit escape and come back up here to insert. You need to click, what do you need to click? Insert. I'm going to go part 3 this time because last time I did part 2, even though I'm pretty sure they're exactly the same. And I'll just click that one there and put it there and hit escape. The last thing I'll probably do on this is just write myself a note. So Mr. Brown's standard table tennis bat, and click the tick and just drag it here. That way I just know that it's my one, because if I'm doing this basic one, maybe a few other people have the same. Alright, so now we need to send this thing to the printer. Come down here to your drawing. it's usually called drawing one unless you've renamed it something else. Right click and let's click export. Drawing one, I'm going to call it something that makes sense. Mr. Brown's standard table tennis bat. PDF, yes. Not sure what that does, just leave it. Text, yep, normal, black and white that's fine. And option download. So it should all be that. Click export and you'll see that it is telling me it's preparing it and it's going to download it very soon. That's it there, save, and then I click this button here and it comes up. So all I have to do then is just click the print icon and print it, send it to the printer. And then we can stick it on your wood and you're done. If you have any questions, obviously come and see me or send me an email or something, but that's the next step, so we can actually start cutting out our table tennis bat. I'm looking forward to seeing yours.